like Halloween, and now it's my favorite holiday. Who says Christmas needs to be the holiday that steals gingerbread? Like, yes. I don't know why I'm so passionate about it. I think I'm just hungry. Today, we are going to be making a gingerbread haunted mansion with all of the 10 Fancy Sprinkles Halloween blends. Who drops 10 blends for Halloween?
You are gifted, Private Gump.
Your work is incredible, and we thank you for it. I think it's important we take a moment of silence for the 2008 gingerbread recession.
The whole housing market is propped up on these bad loans.
If only the banks would have been better.
The banks got greedy.
10 points for that joke. Also, what a fun activity to do with your friends, with your family, with your kids, because it's COVID and trick-or-treating isn't a thing. Go to your local Trader Joe's. They got them. First things first, when you're building a gingerbread haunted mansion, get your drill. You never know when you're gonna need a drill. Hey, you want to drill with that glass of wine? Okay, so right now I'm just gathering all my pieces. Oh my God, the roof. Look how cute this is. Boo! Boo. Yo, Adrian. I would love to see Rocky in a Halloween movie.
Yo!
Pipe a line of icing over the embossed. What does embossed mean? Why is this so hard? Whoa, 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 whoa. No. No. Update, it's still really hard. Like, should I cut a bigger hole? Oh my God, guys, it's working. No! Okay, guys, I've kind of just gone rogue. Is this what construction feels like?
No!
Yes. I built a house! I cannot believe it. I want to use the sugars to make like a stained glass window effect. So I was like, okay, I don't want to put icing on it because that will be dark. So what I want to do is I'm going to put honey, I think. Maybe I'll brush the honey on. Yes, this is why you use brushes. And I'm gonna paint where I want it to go. I got these brushes, by the way, fancysprinkles.com. Then I'm gonna take Crystal Ball. She's gorgeous. Oh my God, look how cute that is. Oh, we'll do here. Okay, our sugars. Okay, now I'm gonna use Freak Show to do the other two. Oh, I love this. I think I want to use the upside down for the roof because you know how in Stranger Things they have like the Christmas lights? So we're gonna see how that goes for me. So cute. Oh, I am so proud of myself.
Be humble.
Okay, next I think I'm gonna use Goosebumps to do some more window decorating just so it gives it that extra like oomph. What's happening? Guys, we're starting to sag again. Well, we're gonna ixnay this idea. Well, I am very upset. I had a vision for my windows, and that vision is not coming to fruition. Big word. I know, I'm impressed too.
He's got good brains.
I guess when you build a house, you can't have everything you want. So we're gonna have to rethink some things. Okay, fine. I'm gonna line it with bones instead. Throw me a freaking bone here.
I'm the boss. Need the info.
This is cute. I'm very happy. This looks good. This looks fun. I'm gonna try and do something crazy again. And don't freak out. I know you're gonna be like, what are you doing? We just tried this. Don't freak out. It's gonna be okay. I'm doing it. Wow. I got my Goosebumps dream. It really came true.
This is what dreams are made of.
Now, I have an idea. And it could be crazy. You guys could be like, what? No. But I really just wanna see what would happen if I were to put Prism Powder on the door. We're just gonna go for it. So you take your honey and your little brush again. Okay, so you have your door painted. Okay, then I wanna use her Diamond White because I love her. And then I'm gonna take another one of my brushes and try and dab it on.
Nice. Dab.
Oh. Whoa, Prism Powder is just the ultimate. Guys, I'm in awe right now. Yes! I mean, like, what do you even, like, look at the stained glass windows. Like, what do you even say to this? Oh my God, I'm painting the whole house purple. Oh my God. It's so sparkly. This is a house of learned doctors.
You're not a doctor.
That's how I feel.
You're a big, fat, curly-headed...
I mean, somebody call Martha Stewart. I'm ready. Honey is glue. Honey does so many things. We really gotta take care of the bees, guys. They do so much for us.
I pick up some pollen over here, sprinkle it over here.
Wow. Does anybody want to go return stuff for me? Okay, guys. I mean, this looks so good. And I'm gonna add an eyeball as a doorknob. Cause why not? Oh my God, and guys, Walking Dead is perfect for the grass in front. Ready for this? See, look. Oh, Walter de Muertos has RIP sign in skulls. Look, a little skull. Are you kidding? This is so cute. Are you kidding? I would live inside of her if I could. This is MTV, welcome to my crib.
What's up, y'all?
Who cares about Little House on the Prairie? This is Little House on the Graveyard. Look, we have Walking Dead out front, and then, oh, just some diamond white prism powder with some stained glass sugar blended windows lined with Goosebumps, Walking Dead. Oh, what is that? A Stranger Things upside down roof? This was a special kind of bake show. This was, again, back to our grassroots, just making the normal things extraordinary with fancy sprinkles. Like 100%, this is the Halloween activity. Wow, this is my breakfast. Fancy sprinkles. Thank you. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Okay, I love you. Bye. Oh my God, my stained glass windows. Oh my God.